Hey folks, hey YouTubers, hey Instagram, welcome to the inventory room. These pieces are in various states of either in the process of working with them, or I finished them, or I haven't worked on them at all, like these Peerless handcuffs manufactured by Smith Wesson in 1924. Haven't touched them, need to get all the rust off. It's 10.10-5 box. Haven't done much to it. There's the bottom. It's got the date and everything on it. These other handcuffs, Smith & Wesson. These are from the 60s. Springfield, Massachusetts, made in USA. I need to get all the rest off of them. Here's the case they go in. I haven't did much to this case at all. Uzi 9mm manual and the certificate of ownership. Let's see what else we got. We got a stag knife. This is a fat stag, Smith & Wesson. Real stag handles. Let's see, got a first production run scrimshaw of Smith & Wesson Grizzly Bear. First production run scrimshaw of a golfer. Tactical pin. Extreme Ops, Urban Camo, M&P, sort of like an automatic knife, but not. U.S. Navy SEALs, Extreme Ops, get 2 of those. I'm done with the Smith & Wesson 1302 Coke Bottle Classics Staghorn handles with the silver bolsters, made in USA. There's the thing for it, the box. I've got another one that I am waiting on patiently to get the Smith & Wesson's S&W's Shield medallion for, and then I'll be done with it. Some Beretta boxes, some starter gun boxes like EIG, Perfecta. Let's see, what else have I got? I've got some vintage SWAT knives. These are made in USA, like the SW 2001 in black. The Hostiles Smith & Wesson belt buckle from 1975. There's the case that it goes in. I think this is model 600. I'm done with that one. It turned out pretty good. Haven't started on the 44 mag one yet. I think I'm done with the tradition one. It turned out pretty nice. I don't have my normal tools here. My grinder is somewhere in storage, but I've been doing this stuff by hand. There's another Smith & Wesson 3000. These are all mint knives that I got at an auction. SWAT serrated. These are large. These are the large ones, not the small ones. Except for this one. This one is the small one. It's a rare small one. Smith & Wesson 2001 small SWAT. First production run. Large SWAT. SW 4000. First production run. There's a Texas Rangers commemorative knife. Numbered. It's really nice. They only made 1,000 of them. This is number 871. Got an electrician's knife. I need to get some. I haven't started on it yet. Got some J-frame Smith & Wesson grips. They're in good condition. They're in sellable condition, but I'm gonna refinish them, strip them and refinish them. And then I've got these beauties over here. Oh wait, I forgot. I've got Smith & Wesson 61 stainless knife with the cherry wood inserts and the nice sheath. I still need to do something to that. Smith & Wesson SWAT patent pending. Like it's sort of an automatic knife without being an automatic knife. The M&P first response knife, Blackie Collins knife. I'm still working on these two. I'm done with this one, the Smith Wesson handguns belt buckle. I think I'm pretty much done with it. This first response knife, you know, it's made in the USA. So is the sheath. It's nice, but these are the creme de la creme. There's a Maverick Sportsman 6062 Smith & Wesson clip point knife with the sheath. I'm not done with it. I'm not done with this sheath. I just cleaned it up, but I haven't like worked the leather or the snap. The box I'm not quite done with it, and the knife, I'm not done with it. Like, it needs the brass shined up, it needs going over, you know, but this one I'm done with. This sheath is in perfect condition. I am done with it. I am done with this knife. These are 6010 Smith & Wesson 180th Texas Rangers 1823-1973. It's got the TR, you know, and Smith & Wesson symbol. It's got the, you know, the bling on it. It's got the Texas Rangers commemorative thing on it. I'm not quite done with the handle, but you know, I polished up the sorry, I'm sweating a little bit. It's hot in here. Polished that up. I'm done with the box. I had to refinish the box. I'm done with it. It says Smith & Wesson, Texas, State of Texas, Texas Rangers Commemorative Commission. And this is a 1973 Blackie Collins design knife. Just a beautiful knife, just mirror polished. This one I'm not quite done with the box. It's still got a few dings in it that I need to get out. And I'm not done with the sheath. I am not done with the knife. I got to do the handle and the pommel and the hilt, or got to do the hand guard and the pommel. But this one turned out beautifully. I mean, just look at that. I polished up the brass, stripped and redid the box, polished up this one, redid the leather. I need to go over it again. It's been a while since I finished the sheath. So anyway, that's all I've got for today.